All right, guys, let's get in this trade recap. As you can see here, bang, 22,000 on the day. Got half pass on my Lucids, and then I got past my 5 top step XFAs, so I'm going to have those for next week. I got my Alpha Advanced accounts are almost passed. Live accounts up 1,600 on the day. It's a great day. Tradeify, which you can use code Caden if you want to cop some of those. And I'm going to have Alpha Future codes linked down below. I need one more day for those. Those are my favorite accounts. Those select daily payouts with Tradeify go absolutely stupid. So I'm excited to get back on those. So let's just go straight into it. This is what you're here for. This is what you want. Let me provide, okay? So guys, if you don't know me already and this is your first time watching this video, I have been profitably day trading for the past 6 months now. I have been consistently making money. In the past 2 months, I made 5 figures, over 5 figures for the past 3 months now. I had like a $10,000 month. I've made 40,000, 40,000, and like this month I've had 16,000 so far. And I've started this month off horribly, but I've had 16,000. So let's just get straight into it. What I was looking at, what I was thinking, how did I find my trade? Let me just get this going for y'all. So on NQ here, first thing I always do, the first thing I do as soon as I get on the charts, I wake up, I come over to my charts at like 9 o'clock, 9:15. I mark out 9:30 and 9:50. Those are the macros. I mark it out on both indices, 9:30 and 9:50. And then I go on to the higher time frames and kind of look for like the draws and liquidity that I want for the day. And the obvious one today, guys, if you don't know, when you're near all-time highs, you target all-time highs, okay? ES already took out all-time highs at this morning. Like, it was already above it. So, like, oh, no, what do? You go higher, guys. Come on now. Follow the trend. So, then I was like, okay, well, I've known already, like, if you just look at price over, like, this week, I mean, it's just been rip, no retrace, rip, no retrace, rip. Like, basically, you're going to get lucky if you get a retrace or an actual entry to get in. Yesterday, we got a good entry. We actually had a solid liquidity to get swept out before moving higher. So today, I was like, well, you know what? We got this 15-minute fair value gap here. Oh, this 15-minute fair value gap here. Let's see if it holds, you know? So market opens. We come down into this, and I kind of like what we're doing here. And, I mean, you can get more specific. It's a big old 5-minute right here, too. As you can see, we come in here, 5-minute, 15-minute, double stacking fair value gaps here. Tap into. I'm watching. I'm like, okay, if we break this, like maybe sweep this low and then go higher. I'm basically, when I'm near all-time highs, I just sit down and I just wait until market basically gives me a long to then go higher. So I was just sitting here waiting on the 5-minute. Once we moved down, we created this fair value gap. And this fair value gap. So, what was I waiting for? What did I need to see to then confirm that we were going to go higher? In my opinion, I entered a little early because all-time highs are an extremely good draw. So this was a 1-minute high. We come down. We break structure downwards, like we're in a downtrend, into the 15-minute fair value gap. We tap equilibrium of it, which is crucial. Like if we only tapped up here, I wouldn't have entered off this. But because we tapped and filled most of it, and when you go to the 15-minute, obviously this is better when you're in the live market. I could just tell that it was like, so this candle was forming, and we came all the way down here, and we were pushing all the way back up. In my opinion, we just created a massive wick. We're going to go higher. So like, because, that was happening. So like this was like the wick. So it came down, formed this wick, and I watched it come up and break structure up here. And honestly, I was still a little hesitant, and I waited a little bit until we came down a little bit because I was like, well, maybe it wants to resweep these lows one more time. But then we came back into the 15-minute, and 1-minute order block had a green out of it. Green bean. I think I got entered right here, and I put my stops down here. Look how close this candle came from stopping me out, guys. This is absolutely ridiculous, but this is why I love my boy NQ, because look at ES over here. Would have clapped me. Would have literally taken my pants off and spanked me. You know what I'm saying? So obviously, you know, I only trade NQ. It's my favorite pair. So we actually end up forming SMT here, which was like, as soon as I saw this candle up, this would have been the better trade entry if you just waited for some kind of 1 minute manipulation to then go higher, and then put targets down here and target all-time highs. But that's hindsight, you know. Like, you could wait for that, and then I would have missed my entry, and honestly, I would have been mad with that. So I was okay with taking this because I was like, my trade idea is this needs to hold, right? So then stops all-time high, or take profit all-time highs, and as you can see, got ran through. I mean, it's a very simple trading strategy. Like, when you're at all-time highs, you basically just wait for a retrace. Like, at market open, if we're above all-time highs, like on Monday, if we're way above all-time highs, what you're kind of waiting is for some kind of manipulation to the downside, some retrace / manipulation, and then you basically take longs to all-time highs. I mean, it's pretty simple, pretty easy trading. You can catch retracements. There's certain days where like it looks better, like if you got equal lows, or Asia session lows are equal lows and within a 15-minute fair value gap, or, you know, there's stuff that builds more confluence to actually take shorts. But for the most part, like, long should be the play. If we're just ripping like this, guys, just follow the trend and you're most likely to print. If you wanted to wait for like extra confluence, you could have waited for a 5-minute retrace. Like, if this wasn't good enough for you, you got a 5-minute break of structure. You get the most beautiful. Let me remove that. You get the most beautiful little 5-minute retrace right here into this. Wait till break of structure out of it. Nope. You get the break of structure right here. Enter longs. Stops these low or these lows. Probably these lows are where I'd put mine. And target all-time highs. I mean, there were so many, like, you could have said equilibrium of this leg, go higher. Equilibrium of this leg, go higher. I mean, look, guys, it came down. This was close, but then after, it was literally like bang, bang, bang. We chopped here because, and if you took shorts right here, you're absolutely insane. If you took any of these IFVG shorts, like if you took this right here, thinking we were going to go lower after edging all-time highs, you're insane. Like, all-time high is about the best draw on liquidity in the world. There's not a single high higher than this. There's not a better draw. So, yeah, this was the play, guys. This was obviously the play. This is obviously where we're trending. It's the end of the week. We were going to hit the objective for the week ended. It was just meant to be. So, where we're going to go from here, I don't know. I'm not a market maker. You know what I'm saying? I'm not out here manipulating people. But yeah, guys, what I would like to see maybe Monday is, I mean, we got a lot of these daily candle gaps. I mean, I would like to just see a pullback in this leg, probably. Some kind of like pullback after coming up here. We'll probably come up here and then like maybe like next couple weeks get a little bit of, maybe come back down in here a little bit, but not much. Like, I don't think we'll go below here, but like just come into this range a little bit. Oh my gosh, I got myself humongous on the screen. Just come back into this range on NQ a little bit, fill this up, and then go higher. Bitcoin's actually been ripping for me. I entered, because I was trying to open a broker to enter longs on NQ, because like I wanted to start building like my stocks and stuff, like long-term plays. And it just would not let me put money in for the longest time. So I absolutely missed the most beautiful entry. But on Bitcoin, I actually ended up buying. I'm going to leave that there, actually, just in case we come back down. But ended up buying, like, right here. Like, around in this area. And now we're just pumping up. So, yeah, I'm just going to continue accumulating more Bitcoin as we move our way back up. Because I think we easily get up to, like, at least 150. Like, I don't see us not doing that. So I think this was the manipulation and we can push higher. But this is all different. Y'all are here for the day trading. Y'all are here because if you don't have money and invest, you're not going to be able to make money. So that stuff don't really matter. But that's just what I'm thinking. I'm thinking markets and stuff's going to get back to normal. I mean, all-time highs trading. It's pretty simple. It's pretty easy. It's a great time for y'all to start making some bread. And yeah, guys, just continue Being disciplined on your funded accounts. Don't treat them and don't try to make $10,000 in a month. Don't try to make whatever. Like just follow your system and who cares about the money, and the money will come. Okay. If y'all are buying 5, 10 accounts and you've never gotten a payout, what are you doing? You're just blowing money. Like you should be buying these funded accounts, yes, but you should only be buying one, and it's a price to gain experience. It's not to gain money. It's a price you are paying to gain actual live, stressful, like in the game. You're getting in-game experience. Okay, you're getting put in. You're not sitting on the bench no more. Okay, you can sit on the bench all you want and watch market, but it's not going to improve your game. You got to be in-game improved. You get what I'm saying? So just buy like one account. My favorite ones, I know I'm affiliated. Oh my gosh, he's just trying to sell. But like I promise y'all, I think the Tradeify are the best ones mentally, and teach you to be actual, like to teach you to trade how you actually should trade. You get daily payouts. So when you have a winning day, you can just take it into your bank account, which is great, especially when you haven't made money. The consistency rule to pass it is 40%. So you can't mentally justify trying to full porter 2 days in a row to pass it. So then it forces you to trade slower. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to pass it. And then once you're passed, all you got to do is build the buffer, take your sweet time, and then everything above that is yours. It's awesome. So just trying to put y'all on game. You can use code Caden if you want. I'll have it linked below if you want to open that. But yeah, guys, hopefully y'all had a good day today, good trading day today. All-time highs was the play. And yeah, y'all have a good one. Good luck.